D Tigris takes its place in history as the first African team to reach the quarter-finals, men or women. Before this historic outing, teams from Africa tallied only one win in 37 games played in the women's tournament. The Nigerian women's basketball team, D Tigris, made history at the 2024 Paris Olympics by qualifying for the quarter-finals with a 79-70 victory over Canada. This achievement marks the first time an African team, male or female, has advanced to the quarter-finals of an Olympic basketball tournament. D Tigris, three-time women's Afrobasket champions, faced a tough challenge against the North Americans, who are ranked 5th in the world. The first quarter was tightly contested, ending in a 18-18 draw. However, Canada gained momentum in the second quarter, outscoring Nigeria 23-19. D Tigris, led by coach Rina Wakama, looked to Izum Kalu for inspiration, and she delivered, helping to elevate the team's performance and secure their historic win.